Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons cookies. Gather ingredients: almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, granulated sugar, and food coloring. Start by sifting dry ingredients together to remove lumps and ensure a fine texture. Whip egg whites to glossy medium-stiff peaks, then slowly add sugar to stabilize the meringue. Fold dry mix gently using a figure-8 motion until batter flows like lava, careful not to overmix. Once batter reaches the right consistency, transfer it to a piping bag and pipe even rounds onto lined baking sheets, keeping space between shells. Give trays a few firm taps to pop air bubbles and smooth surfaces with a toothpick as needed. Allow shells to rest until a dry skin forms on top. This helps minimize cracking and creates the classic foot during baking. Resting time varies by humidity, so check by lightly touching the surface. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort that survives any kitchen mess. I wear them when I bake long shifts and they never quit, which feels oddly satisfying, like a perfect macaron. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake macarons at a moderate, steady temperature to encourage feet without browning the shells, rotating trays if your oven has hot spots. Let shells cool completely on the tray before attempting to remove them, which prevents tearing and sticking. Match fillings thoughtfully. Buttercream adds richness, ganache gives silkiness, and jam lends brightness. Pipe fillings evenly on one shell and sandwich with its pair, then refrigerate for 24 hours to mature flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.